Discover the Ninja Luxe Café Premier Series, an extraordinary all-in-one espresso machine and drip coffee maker that brings the barista experience right into your kitchen. This stainless steel marvel, Model ES601, is perfect for coffee enthusiasts seeking a versatile solution to satisfy their daily caffeine cravings. With 3 machines in one, you can brew without limits, enjoy cafe-quality espresso, well-balanced drip coffee, and rapid cold brew, all at your fingertips. Customize your drinks with 2 espresso styles, double shot or quad shot, 3 drip coffee styles, classic, rich, over ice, and 2 cold brew styles. Sizes ranging from 6 to 18 ounces ensure a perfect cup every time. Unlock the ultimate guided experience with Barista Assist technology, offering customized grind size recommendations, weight-based dosing, and active brew adjustments for balanced flavor. The integrated conical burr grinder offers 25 grind settings, delivering a fresh, precise grind for versatile drink options for every type of bean. The dual froth system simplifies the process of creating perfectly textured microfoam with 4 preset programs: steamed milk, thin froth, thick froth, and cold foam. Whether using dairy or plant-based milk, achieving professional results at home is effortless. Perfect pucks ensure ideal conditions for even water distribution that results in a bold, high-quality shot, thanks to the assisted tamper that delivers the perfect puck with evenly distributed and compact grounds. Built-in storage conveniently stores the tamper and funnel on the side of the machine when not in use, and keeps brew baskets, brush, and cleaning disc in the built-in storage compartment. The Ninja ES601 boasts a 4.4 rating with 1,118 reviews, indicating its exceptional performance and customer satisfaction. Join the ranks of those who've already transformed their coffee routine for the better. Invest in the Ninja Luxe Café Premier Series today.